The P0131 code indicates that the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1, which is the side of the engine containing cylinder 1, is reporting abnormally low voltage below zero point 0.1 volts. This sensor is located upstream in the exhaust system and monitors oxygen levels to help the engine control fuel mixture and emissions. Normally, the oxygen sensor voltage should fluctuate between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts based on exhaust gas oxygen levels. The P0131 code occurs when voltage stays abnormally low. This low voltage reading signals a potential issue with the fuel mixture being too rich, emissions problems, or a fault in the sensor itself. The O2 sensor, usually zirconia-based, measures the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. It sends a voltage signal to the engine control module, ECM. This data helps the ECM adjust the air-fuel ratio for optimal combustion. Low voltage indicates a rich fuel mixture, too much fuel, or a malfunctioning sensor, preventing the ECM from properly adjusting the air-fuel ratio. Several issues can trigger the P0131 code. The most common causes include faulty oxygen sensors, wiring problems, exhaust leaks, ECM glitches, and fuel system faults. A faulty oxygen sensor is the most common cause. Aging or contamination prevents it from producing the voltage swings needed to monitor exhaust oxygen levels. Wiring and connector problems can cause P0131. Corrosion or electrical shorts in the harness interrupt the voltage signal from the sensor to the engine control module. Exhaust leaks allow extra air into the system before the sensor. This fools the sensor into detecting lower oxygen levels than actually present. ECM problems are less common, but can trigger P0131. Software glitches may incorrectly interpret the sensor's voltage readings. Fuel system issues like clogged injectors create rich fuel mixtures. This results in low oxygen readings that trigger the P0131 code. To diagnose the P0131 code, start by using an OBD2 scanner to read the code and check live data for the O2 sensor voltage graph. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion. Then, perform voltage tests on the sensor to confirm its functionality. Finally, consider checking for exhaust leaks near the sensor. The most common fix for P0131 is replacing the faulty upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. This sensor monitors exhaust gases and sends voltage signals to the engine control module. Ensure you purchase a compatible oxygen sensor for your specific vehicle's make, model, and year. Check compatibility with your OBD2 scanner or consult your vehicle's service manual. The average cost for O2 sensor replacement is between $150 and $300, including parts and labor. Professional installation ensures proper wiring and calibration. After installing the new sensor, clear the P0131 code using your OBD2 scanner. Then monitor the sensor's live data to confirm it shows proper voltage fluctuations between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts. Test drive the vehicle to ensure the check engine light stays off. Besides replacing the oxygen sensor, other solutions for P0131 include repairing wiring and connectors. Address any corrosion or shorts in the wiring harness that could disrupt the sensor's signal. Another solution is to seal exhaust leaks occurring before the oxygen sensor. These leaks can introduce extra air, causing the sensor to report falsely low oxygen levels. Check the fuel injectors if the mixture is running rich. Clogged injectors can deliver too much fuel, leading to low oxygen readings. Clean or replace them as needed. Finally, though less common, check for any available software updates from the manufacturer for the engine control module. These updates can sometimes resolve software glitches affecting sensor readings. In 2023-2025, Tesla addressed P0131 codes in Model S hybrids through over-the-air software updates. These updates recalibrated virtual oxygen sensor simulations, resolving the issues without hardware replacement. In 2024, Ford Mustang EcoBoost owners faced P0131 codes caused by exhaust manifold cracks. Repairs required welding the cracks and replacing the oxygen sensor, which restored proper fuel efficiency. In 2022, a Volkswagen Jetta's faulty oxygen sensor caused P0131 and failed emissions tests. Replacing it with a Bosch universal sensor quickly restored emissions compliance. The prevalence of P0131 is expected to decline as hybrid and electric vehicle adoption increases. These vehicles use fewer traditional O2 sensors, relying instead on battery management and electric motor controls. By 2030, O2 sensors may become obsolete in a significant percentage of new vehicles, particularly in electric and hybrid models where combustion engines are minimized or absent. Future technologies include AI-integrated diagnostics that preempt issues, wideband sensors for more accurate readings, and virtual diagnostics that fuse data from multiple sensors without traditional O2 components. However, P0131 will remain relevant in internal combustion engine-dominant markets, particularly in developing regions where ICE vehicles persist, driving demand for affordable aftermarket O2 sensors. In summary, as automotive technology advances, the role of traditional O2 sensors will diminish, but their importance in current and legacy ICE vehicles ensures P131 diagnostics will continue to be essential for mechanics and drivers alike.